Did you see that? What's good, everybody? Will my Dale back again for another vlog. Yeah. So I'm wrapping up the season 3 of Daredevil. Binge watched it over the weekend. It's about 1 a.m. going into Thursday, I think. Yeah, Thursday. And got a lot of stuff coming up this week, so I thought I would do something fun tonight and create a new screensaver, because I'm tired of seeing my screensaver with all these DC villains on it. I was like, why not just create another photo manipulation? I haven't done one in a while, and why not just do one of Daredevil? So I've been rusty. I've been retouching bottles for this hair company in Virginia for like weeks, trying to get it finished. Not only retouching them, but cutting out the background, creating transparencies for each image, so they can be placed in flyers or whatever they want to use for print, advertisement, digital advertisement. That took a long time because I had to mask out every image, and it's a lot of bottles. So yeah, Daredevil was pretty awesome. I mean, to be honest, Daredevil always has the best fight scenes to me in the Defender universe of Marvel. Next would probably be Luke Cage, then Jessica, then Iron Fist. Iron Fist always sucked to me. I thought the choreography always was garbage. Daredevil always looked realistic, the fight scenes, and I don't know, maybe it's the violence, I don't know. I'm still kind of mad they canceled Luke Cage. They could have canceled Iron Fist. I would have been happy with that, but Luke Cage, come on. And I think it's because there's a lot of people complaining, why y'all cancel Iron Fist? Why don't y'all cancel Luke Cage too? Luke Cage sucks. No, it doesn't suck. Iron Fist sucks. Luke Cage is awesome. And the soundtrack is awesome. Boy, that boy plucking that thing, boy. I can't believe they canceled that show. Anyway, I got my apple pie from McDonald's. Got me some coffee. I'm gonna jump straight into it, alright? I think after I break it down, explain why I went the direction I went, I'm totally about to just freestyle this. I didn't plan it. I'm probably just gonna go pull some stock offline off DeviantArt or Google or something. Already pre-cut image of Daredevil, and just probably search my hard drive for some backgrounds and create something similar to like a poster or something. Put like a Netflix logo on it, Daredevil at the bottom. Coming this summer. Prepare yourself for another exciting. I could do that dude's voice, man. Alright, let me jump straight to it. Alright, so I'm finished. Overall, I'm not too happy with it. If I were to grade this, I would grade this as a C minus, I would say. It was just a lot of challenges, I would say, in creating this. First of all, if you're familiar with Adobe, they always have updates. And a few days ago, they had an update from CC 2018 to CC 2019. And in doing so, I lost my Nik Software. And it's to the point now, with Nik Software, it's not free to download. You know, they're charging $69.99. I think. Let me pull it up. Yeah, 69 bucks. So I have to go buy it. You know, and I thought I could just transfer from my CC 18 over to the 19, but I was sitting here trying to find out how to do it, and I didn't, you know, feel like spending all my time doing that. So I re-downloaded it and I did the trial version, and I still couldn't pull it up in my Photoshop. So I have to work on that for the next few days and figure out how to get that fixed. So I did most of my color adjusting, well, the little bit of color adjusting I could do in Camera Raw. Second problem, I usually create check layers where I can check my luminosity levels and my hue levels when I'm color matching, when I'm doing photo composites, photo manipulations, photo bash, whatever you want to call it. And when I was creating my check layers, they did not work, you know, and it was pissing me off because I was trying to match the colors in my my composite, and I couldn't do it because when I created my layers, it was just a black screen. I couldn't figure it out, which is weird because if I click on it now, I can actually see the layers that I wanted to see. So I have to figure out how to fix that. You know, I was under the preference section and I was trying to check, you know, the color settings, making sure it was set the way I wanted, and for some reason I could not get it figured out. So, but yeah, I mean, as you can see, all the layers that went into it, from the background, which I merged, so I can't really show you how I did that. And then you know, an image of Daredevil that I snatched off GVNG. Somebody already, you know, masked out the background. You know, and then from here, you know, color grading and gradients, and I added some smoke, so try to give some cinematic look to it, and some flares, a little dodge and burning. Oh, I know there's one thing I should have added. I wanted to add some fire sparks coming off the ground, but I was too already upset about not being able to color match my project. And then, you know, I added a little lens correction. Yeah, so I'll give this a C minus. It's not my best work. I think it's still cool for a movie poster and for a new screensaver, temporary screensaver. For right now, this looks like something you could download off of Google, to be honest. I mean, I'll give it that. So yeah, practice, right? That's one thing I don't like about Adobe, when they make updates and then you have to go back and reinstall all the brushes, you know, which I have to do. I was sitting there looking for certain brushes that I have and certain actions. I have to reload all that. Unless there's a way that you can do that, there's an easier way to transfer, and I don't know. Maybe I need to go on YouTube and someone can leave in the comment section that I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Now I have to go and grab all the old brushes that I bought, put them in the preference folder for this, all the actions that I've had, and reinstall everything, you know. So that sucks, but it is what it is, you know. Yep. So I'm gonna clock out tomorrow. Well, today, what time is it? It's like 3 something right now. Today's what, Thursday? Yeah. I have to start working on this hair issue, men's issue, and this fashion issue this month. and I have to start getting my themes together for next year, which I have to sit down and ponder on what themes are going to be for next year. Each year I have a certain theme for each month set. So when photographers, stylists, or creative directors come to our site and they download our PDF, seeing what we have for the month, what theme they're going to take back to their crew and sit down and say, okay, this is what they want this month. Is colorful pop, or Valentine love, or the noir scene. I'm just throwing out random names, but each month has a different name and a different theme that I'm looking for. And it usually takes me a good bit of time to sit down and come up with the concepts, but it shouldn't be hard. I might reuse some of the ones that I've done this year that I didn't see fulfilled, because a lot of people send us images without looking at the theme, and that kind of gets to me sometimes, because I'm like, yo, it's a theme for the month, and they're like, oh, we just did a photo shoot, and it's a swimwear shoot, and it's like in the middle of the winter. Like last month, a girl sent me something in a swimmer, and I'm like, yo, it's fall. Hello? People just go shoot the shoot, and they just send stuff off without reading. That's one thing I noticed about people. They don't like to read. So next year I'm going to be cutting back on a lot of that. I'm not going to be having lengthy magazines with images. With not that much content. I want more content than images. And I love everyone that contributes, but at the end of the day, there's a certain level and certain level of quality I'm trying to present as a publication. So, yep, Daredevil. I forgot Buddy's name. What's Buddy's name? What's Daredevil name? His comic name, real name. Charlie Cox. No, that's not. I don't know. That's not. I don't know his real name. What is his? Is Matt? Darn it, Matt. Is it Matt? See, I should have did one with Kingpin, and I should have did one with the blood dripping like in the intro. Matt Murdock. My boy Matt Murdock. So I might do a tutorial on something like this poster right here too. I might do one with this peel away blood, peel away paint. And I know a lot of people are like, well, how they did that? Well, you can tell in a composite they probably shot this with him. Well, they probably shot this on a tripod with him standing in one spot, unless they shot him in all black and they imposed that red in CGI later on. But I'm pretty sure they just had him stand in the same pose and shot this on a tripod in different outfits. That's what I would have done. That's the easiest way. Even though it might have been hard to get him to stand in that exact same pose after changing outfits, but that's what Photoshop's for. Or whatever CG program they use, whether it's 3D Max or Cinema 4D or whatever. Alright guys, thanks. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Like the video. Share the video. All that good stuff. Alright. Fall coming up. I'm still looking for writers. And trying to host some events in my hometown in Savannah coming up next year to try to get more intimate with the locals. Try to be more interactive. People know I'm not very interactive. I'm more of a work person. I'd rather hire people to go do the talking and talk with the public for me than me actually be involved with the public. I know that sounds weird, but I would prefer to be the man behind the scenes working, and that's just my personal preference. But I'm working on it. Until then, you guys have a good night, well, good day. And I will see you guys on the next video sometime this week coming up. Like I said, I have to work on this issue, so I'm going to try to put out another video next week. Alright? Laters.